Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a Gmail account for US users, whether you need a personal email, a work account, or just want to access Google services smoothly. This full guide for 2026 will walk you step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Gmail signup page. Make sure you're using a secure network and a trusted device. Now fill in your first and last name, then choose a unique username. This will be your new Gmail address. Yeah, sometimes the username you want is already taken, so try a few variations if needed. Next, create a strong password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols. Retype it to confirm. It's really important to keep your account secure. Google will ask for a phone number and recovery email. Even though it's optional, adding these helps you recover your account if you forget your password or get locked out. Next, enter your date of birth and gender. This is for account security and personalized Google services. Scroll down and read Google's terms and privacy policy. Then click Agree to continue. Yeah, it's always good to know what you're agreeing to. If you added a phone number, Google may send a verification code. Enter the code to verify your number. This helps secure your account. Once done, your Gmail account is ready. You can now sign in, send emails, and access all Google services like Drive, Calendar, and YouTube. For US users, make sure to select the correct country in your settings. Also, use a recovery phone or email from the US if possible to avoid issues later. And yeah, that's how to create a Gmail account for US users in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.